Yo. Okay, I think it worked. Nice. Good morning, y'all. Let me just get my shit set up. Good morning, good morning. Oh my god. Alright. Let's get this burrito in here and we can start working. Good morning, happy Monday, guys. I hope everyone had a good night. I hope everyone had a great weekend. If you don't know me, my name is Bran. I'm making a video game right now called Roll Calla. And yeah, happy to have you guys here. So, all right, let's get this bread. So, where we left off last time, I will not lie, I don't remember because it was a long time ago. I say that and it was just this Friday, but it was a long time ago. Okay, I'm kind of remembering now. So let's close all this. Let's have a fresh new start. Actually, I'm gonna get some more water real quick. But yeah, so I'll explain what's been happening. So I ended up having a banana for the first time, which is awesome. So now the banana marble works. It's in there. The art is in there. But what seems to be happening is that everything to do with that marble, data-wise, like any kind of objects or any kind of like library, what am I saying? Dictionaries. Any kind of dictionaries and stuff that are inside are not being kind of properly managed. So they're not moving towards the new objects I'm creating every time there's a new marble movement, which is a lot. So what needs to happen, I believe, is that the marble would go in. Actually, I don't know what to do per se. So I ended up, one of the things that we ended up working on and doing last time was upgrading this to 4.5. So now I'm at 4.5 stable, funny enough, which is just crazy, but there it is. So here's the deal, guys. When doing setup board, I think it is. Yeah, right here. Pretty much like, I'm gonna do this. Instantiated marble, the moment it hits here, it just keeps failing, dude. Like it's as early as this is what I'm trying to say, which is kind of crazy. So like if we go to, for example, let's go to M right here. Wait, no, this is probably top row. Well, this is fine. We don't start with any bananas, I don't think. Unless I made it so we did. Let me just continue real quick. Go here. We did, okay. There is one here. Yeah, for some reason this one doesn't have like an effect going on. So when you would go to check for effect state and you hit it here, sadly it's gonna just start doing that. Yeah, okay, well this is one of them, pretty much. For some reason the invalid access to property score on a base of object rigid body 2. So dropping marble is a pop back of the marbles to be dropped. And for some reason this dot score is just not a thing, but it is a thing, it should be a thing. This is happening because, funny enough, the update to 4.5 allowed us to use a different function. It doesn't know, we don't have to use duplicate true now. We could use like duplicate deep, and that was the one I was using for a while, or that I was using when we last were here. And bro, for some reason, like right here, see, duplicate deep, but for some reason, this isn't working. Maybe I'm understanding it a little bit incorrectly, but I thought duplicate deep was supposed to be like the main thing. Godot, duplicate deep. Yeah, so now, that's how I understand it. Bro, is this like really new that they're not showing it? from what I understand, this part right here, duplicate ease with expected results. For a long time, even though resource duplicate has a deep parameter, people realize that setting it to true doesn't always perform in reliable, predictable ways. Notably, it does not duplicate sub-resources stored inside array or dictionary properties. Same thing happens with array. The new duplicate deep method for these classes does not give users full control over what you get duplicated or not. This new feature is the result of an overhaul of duplication logic for arrays, dictionaries, and resources. For developers, make sure to keep what was working and constantly intact. If you need more details, feel free to consult. So I'm trying to see if I can read more. Because it seems to me that documentation is really sparse on this. TLDR, this unifies the different paths in Godot for resource duplication, so they have the same behavior, only different but predictable. Okay, each commit takes a self-contained step towards overhaul. Okay, overhaul this, overhaul that. Duplicate and do it are now both users of the same parameterized implementation. Resource duplicate now honors deepness in a more consistent and predictable way. Okay, so wait, what? Okay, so they end up changing like a lot here. They end up changing duplicate in general. So whether duplicate true, what happens here, you know? Okay, let's try this again. I'm trying to see where I can place this marker so that my game can work again, because right now my game's not working. Score's breaking again, man. If I instantiate a marble, does marble not have score? It does have score here. Man, it doesn't have score. It's just so odd. Sorry, I'm not trying to adjust it because I think you guys can hear the air fryer really loudly. At least I'm thinking, but maybe not. Okay, so with the score being 0, score is here. So I'm confused why it doesn't set up score. It's acting as if score doesn't exist, but it does. Look at this. I know for a fact, for example, like if I do this, let's try this. Okay, continue. Okay. All right, so instantiated marble. Score's here at 0. Dropping marble. Oh. What? Okay, so dropping marble is actually not a marble. It's just a rigid body 2D. This doesn't make any sense. Why is it just treating it as such? Okay, so this is already weird. Dropping marble is the issue here, not instantiated marble. So let's go to where marbles to be dropped is. Marbles to be dropped gets dropped or gets set up on pick up a marble state, I think. Marbles to be dropped. Here it is. This is us appending it with duplicate true. So question, my good sir, is the duplicating the issue, specifically the true part? Let's try this out real quick. Because if so, then we're looking tough here. For now, I don't need this one. Step over, step over, step over. What are you current count? What are you current count? It's 1, okay. So we append it to marbles to be dropped. And then we queue it. And remove it. Marbles to be dropped gets updated. So what's marbles to be dropped on now, for example? It's an array of 1. It's null. Score is no 0, no. Okay. But it's still this. So I go here. Again, drop a marble. It's a marble now. And instantiated marble as well. Okay, so deep true is fucking it up. Deep true is fucking it up, bro. Oh my god. I don't get it. I don't get how this new deep true shit works. Like, I'm not gonna lie. It's still like doesn't do what I want it to because it's not updating the thing. At least from what I'm understanding, it's not. So let's go over here, for example. Hypothetically, this should go into here, and then this new instantiated marble should have everything the score does. But that's the thing, score is 0, text is a null, effect is null. All of this ends up being null, which is throwing me off because why would you duplicate this here and then not have all the data? So is it the act of duplicating that is destroying this? For example, is marbles working as expected, but then the act of duplication is not? If I go 4 here, okay. For example, current hole marbles. So if I go to global data and I go to current hole, current hole. Marbles. It's already null here. Yeah, it's already null here. No, but look, score equals 1. Meaning, yeah, meaning that this is just, this is working as expected. Because my regular ones don't have effects or time for effects, which makes sense. However, and price is 0, I guess. I haven't set up a price yet. So the thing that would throw me off would be if we keep going and current holes, marbles. Why is current count? Is current count? Okay, this is weird. Duplicating. Hypothetically, current count should be the same thing as what I'm seeing here. So let's do step over. Now, hypothetically, I should go over here to global data, check current count, go into an object. Score is still 1. I'm going to continue real quick. So if I go to current hole, score still 1. Is it working? Is it working, and do I need to do something? Oh my god. Stop. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. The best way to test this would be me going in and putting all of the starting ones as bananas. So let's go into global data. And then in global data, what I'm going to do is instead of doing all of this, I'm just going to put a shit ton of bananas. Oh my god, what do I do? So we just have banana. different texture, different text cost on drop, all that bullshit. Ugh. Okay, see, we have banana now. Yay. So, if I were to go to where we were, click on Marble State and check here, hypothetically we should be seeing all this is the same as a banana. So right now, continue, and go again. For testing, I'm just okay. So I'm going to step over here, and now current count hypothetically should have banana on drop, banana marble. Okay, guys, that's the effect. That's a callable on drop. Scores 2. Okay, so we're cooking right now. Now let's get to the end here. Okay, what is current marbles now? Or marbles to be dropped? Boom. Right here, this fails. Okay, so let me tell you this. Because it seems to me that this is happening right now, right? This is the issue. What I need to do, what I might need to do is instantiate a marble, set it up, and then append it. That's where I'm leaning towards. That's where I think I'm gonna go. So let's do that. Let's do instantiated marble. Let's do. I think I have marble already here. I do not. Okay. I think it's a marble and then it's a preload. I might need to just grab it. All right, yeah. Instantiate. Boom. So, due to the instantiation right here, I will then make this the same thing. So, let's do instantiated marble dot texture. I think let's go to marble real quick. Yeah, texture. So I'm gonna make the texture equal to marbles. The fuck this. Texture, right? Instantiated marble dot score equals current marble score, same thing. Instantiated marble dot text again. Text. Temp for effect equals temp for effect. Okay, so we're getting all this stuff. We're just going to equal this to this. hypothetically, this should do something. I don't know if it'll work, but it'll do something. Okay, so I go here. Okay. Let's go here. Instantiated marble is this. And drop, all that bullshit. Effect is null right now, which is... Oh, I mean, it makes sense, actually, because I didn't set it up yet. All right, cool. So okay. Okay, I think it worked. Guys, I think it worked. Guys, I think it worked. It just I might need to fix it, but I think it worked. So let's go to holy shit, I think it worked. If radii range equals 2, remove marble, remove marble. So first of all, I just got really lucky. That's the first thing I think, right? But just because I got really lucky doesn't mean that this automatically worked. So here's the thing. I also noticed that this also just only had one fucking... I might have to put an and statement here. A couple of and statements, actually. I don't want it to... No, actually, I do kind of want it to run that if it lands on... If it lands on one of the big circles. I kind of still wanted to do that. Herm, as the kids say, herm. Let's do and. Can I do just and? Oh my god, I can. Effective? Okay, cool. And let's do global data dot current hole dot size. It's greater than 1. I don't want it to do that for on itself. You know, I don't want that to happen to itself. Standard start. Non-existent size in node 2. Ooh. Uh-oh. So first of all, it hit. I want y'all to know it hit. That's why it's even hitting the effect here. Now, size, current hole. Why is this not, am I thinking about this differently? Global data. Current hole should just be current hole. I don't know why it's not, why would it be? Dot marbles. Dot marbles, dot marbles. Like that. Marbles. All right, let's try that again. A lot of bananas here. Okay, it's my turn. Let's do. Okay, so I just gotta be like a hawk right now. I just gotta be like a hawk right now. Let's remove the breakpoints. I think that's the first thing we should do. Okay. There you go. Okay, so let's just remove these. Let's just play. Okay, I go again. And I got 2. Okay, so far. Oh, bro, I'm fucking fried. But notice it didn't work on some other times, but it did work on some others. Wait, what? That didn't make any sense. Why wouldn't it just run all of them? Why didn't it fail on the first one? Okay, we'll think about this. Let's go 1 here. Okay, it didn't do anything here. Didn't do anything here. Okay. Oh! Yo, it left. Guys, I don't think you guys can see it really well. Let me move that for you guys to see it in full screen, the full map. I don't have to see the FPS, bro. There we go. I'll just be right here in the middle of nowhere. Guys, I think it worked. Full stop, I think it fucking worked. There is a chance for this to happen. Okay, it didn't happen. Okay, it didn't happen. Okay, it didn't happen. Okay. It is a 1 in 4 chance, so I'm not expecting it to like do it all the time. There we go, it happened again. So here's the thing I'm noticing. It keeps deleting my banana. Is it just unlucky, or did I not program it to pick everything else? So remove marble here, this function I have. I'm guessing it picks a random one. No, it picks pop back. Exactly, it picks pop back. I don't want it to pop back, bro. I want it to pick a random one. Oh my god. So it kept popping my fucking banana. And I'm like, bro, I just got this banana. What is that? Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna start grabbing shit. My burrito. My burrito. But guys, it worked, bro. It fucking works. Holy shit. The banana effect is working. The act of checking. The act of rolling. I can't believe it. I can't believe we just got our first effect working, guys. Thank you. All right. Let's get this bread. So, let's just make sure. Let's play a game. Let's just make sure that it works. I'll have to add like a sound effect and stuff for when it does happen, so I can know that like, you know, it actually does it. I'm just gonna do that right now. Let's do a banana slip MP3. Okay. That is not. No way in hell does that sound like a banana.
What are you doing?
Wait, I just realized you guys are hearing. Hold up, I'm like fried out of my mind. Headphones. There we go.
What are you doing?
There we go. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, so that's not a banana. Okay, I like that one. I just want it. Do I have to? I'm not gonna fucking start doing that. Hmm. Okay, that was pretty funny. Okay, I like this one. Fuck it. Share. Can I? There we go. Okay. All right, I got a banana peel, guys. So here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna add it now. So let's go to global data, and in here, we're going to. Ooh. Am I able to have a reference to something from the global? What I mean by that is like, can I do an already here and it actually function? Let's try it. So let's make an audio thing. 'Cause I don't think we have an audio thing here. I think it's positional. Yeah, positional audio. And then, yeah, I just go and I put the new one. So go here. Okay, let's go to assets. And then I kind of want to make a new folder now. Call that shit audio. Audio tab. Audio listener. Listener equals. No, what am I doing? This is what I have to do. This doesn't seem right. I think I'll do. There we go. Okay. And then go here. Okay. So hypothetically, I should be able to just do then to notify the user that the banana slip has happened. I'm going to use the audio listener and play tune. Play. And that should be fine. Let's see what happens. The first sound of my game. Okay. Nothing yet. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. Attempt to play a call function play in base, no instance on a no instance. Okay. Yeah, I figured. So is there a way I can make like a global audio? Is there a way I can make a global audio? That'd be really cool. This doesn't seem to be working. I just realized I should do this too. Let's try. No, it still breaks. Okay. I have an idea. So let's do this then. Let's do, because I current hole. I mean, what I could do is I could do like board instance. And what I can do is during the setting up of the board, I can tie board instance to this. Why is everything blue but this one? Why are you a different color? Why are you hurting me? So I'm gonna not attach a script. I don't need to actually. I can just go set up board state, and then here I'm just gonna global data dot. Let's do audio listener. Or oh, actually, I can just do that. I can just do that, guys. I can just do that. Let's do unready var board audio equals the audio stream player 2. I can just go here, boom. And now, if I go back to global data, I don't need the board instance, because I already have the audio listener. Okay, let's get this null for now. And then global data audio listener will not work. Let's try it. Nice, good capture. Guys, it worked. Oh my god, it worked! It fucking worked! Okay, okay, it worked. It still grabbed the last one because I haven't changed that, but it worked, bro. Holy shit, it worked. Oh my god, this is so fucking awesome. Effects work. Effects actually work. This is crazy. This is fucking insane. Oh my god, wow. That's awesome. It's really awesome. Wow. Not gonna lie, I'm lit. Not gonna lie, I'm super lit. So now that that's working, which is fucking awesome. Do I lose here? Yeah. I want to hear it again. Okay, so it happened here and it happened somewhere else. I'm wondering if I should be like, oh no, slipped, and like put it there. Oh no, slipped. You know, just so like I can know that it slipped and shit. I think that'd be cool. I got captured, you rat bastard. Yeah, I'm losing like crazy though. I think it's the fact that he has like 8 bananas. So here's how we're gonna do this now. I want to have an object already here. So let's do, I'm going to make an asset or maybe a script. And I'm gonna call it marbles. All marbles. Yeah, all marbles. That's what I'm gonna do. And then with all marbles, I'm going to start writing out all these as objects. Same thing too. So I'm gonna do like rare Marbles. I'm gonna fucking. This might be. Fuck. Actually, go back. Is this like a list? It is. Okay. So there's the first one. Banana. Right, I have to get the end banana. Okay, we put it here. Beautiful. All right, and then what we're gonna do is, this is gonna help me kind of just like standard labels. It's just gonna help me kind of like just instead of having to do have all this. I don't know. It just helps. Common marbles. Okay, and then these are the common marbles. Right now, rare marbles that. So what I'm going to do is, how would I reference that script? How do I reference that script like that? Would I preload it? Like all marbles? And preload it? Is that a thing? Oh, it might be. It might be actually. All marbles, and I could do that. This is store marbles, bro. Okay, what the fuck is happening here? I think I just deleted the store marbles. Okay, hold up. What the fuck did I do? This is rare marbles, and this is common marbles. Store marbles is fine. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so let's do this. This will just help clean up this place, bro. I don't want too much shit to be in the global data either. You know, I think it could get really hectic really quick. So anything to help it get there a little better is fine by me. So let's do all marbles. All marbles. We're gonna preload this. That's gonna be all marbles. Boom. And then now I could do store marble. I could do all marbles. I could do common marbles. Quick guys, quick. Come to me. Let it go into me head. Common marbles would be all marbles dot common marbles. And then this would be rare marbles. Okay. Beautiful. All right, guys. And then now everything else that has to do with those rare marbles, for example, here and here, now we get, oh, this is we're chilling. This will help a lot just to keep this going. We have an effect example. So now literally from here, it's just making a bunch of different effects. So sick, dude. I'm so happy. This is fucking awesome. We have this working now. So I'm going to fix this up a bit. I want common marbles to be, you know, common marbles. I want this to be the rare ones. Let's see if I can buy it in the store. Let's. Oh shit. Invalid access to property or key common marble list on a base object of type GD script. Okay, how do we do this then? How to guys, how do we do it? How to node path, auto loads. That's what I did. Oh, I have to new it. Brr. I have to new it, bro. I have to new it. Of course, man. Of course, I'm a fool. Boom. Let's try it. And then it works. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Okay. I did 5. I get the extra one because I'm crazy like that. I get 7. It's his turn. I go here. I go here. I go here. I go here. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Player 3. Go here. Go here. I'll go here. I'll capture this one. Nice, nice. We're cooking, guys. We're cooking. Guys, we're looking good. We're looking good. This is it. I got cooked. I got cooked. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so everything is looking great. I finally have banana working. I have a sound effect. Definitely a temporary one for now. Let's see if we can get lucky. Ooh, come on, come on. No. Not. Let's do 2 here. Let's do in here. Ooh, he gets it. Oh, what a throw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just gonna throw this one here so that gets fucked up. Nice. Put it here. What the, bro? It's like I look away for 2 seconds, bro. 2 seconds and I got robbed. 1, 2, 3. That's fine. I'm in a predicament. Oh man, I'm in a predicament. I need him to use that 7. Oh well, there's the predicament. It's gone. The predicament is gone. Because now I can rob him. For all he's worth, I can rob him. Okay. Okay. Can't do much here. I'm going to use 2. I think we're even. Yeah, I think we're even. I'm actually going to try to see if I can like elongate this the most I can. Yeah, I can. So 1 there. Yep. Nice force to use it. Yeah, so I can get everything I can. Let's go. That's the brain. That's the brain activity you got to use. Banana. I got a banana. Banana, banana. Fire. So here's the thing. This is the worst position to have the banana in. Because you can get rid of yours. So now I got to think like kind of a little bit outside the box. I'm going to use this 8-1 already just to kind of like empty this out. So hopefully I have a bigger chance of just allowing the banana to drop. Damn it. Okay, so I dropped there, but I'm good, guys. It didn't proc. Let's hit the rock 4. Let's go here. Let's hit the 5 here. Man, it's crazy. It's crazy. The banana's the fear factor of the banana right now is crazy. Okay, cool. It didn't proc. It's scary. It's scary. Until you get the banana on the other side, it's scary to have it on your side. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. It ended up being here. So, funny enough, I think banana might fuck me over here. Okay, it didn't. Let's go. So here's the thing. That's what you want to do. You want either banana to land here and be fine, or land on the other side so that it can wreak havoc on the other side's side. That is my interpretation of the effect of the banana, which really amplifies it because it's scary. It's scary in multiple ways and it allows for like a lot of great gameplay. At least I believe, you know. Let's hit with the 2. Let's hit with the 1. Hit with the one here. Let's hit with this here. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. $29. Let's go. Okay. Oh, banana. Let's go. We got another banana. Oh, I ran out of money and just when I got another banana, bro. I'm going to implement the removal because I want to remove so then I can get more bananas. I can do a full banana run. Oh, shit. He took my banana. What the hell? Why is it always going to be like that? The last one's always going to go? I'm curious now. So for example, this was the blue, right? Oh my God, it is. Guys. Wait, that's huge. Wait, that's super huge. Hold up. If it's the last to have made it, so this is green. Oh my God, hold up. This is purple. Wait, guys, this is an order. There's an order to this. I'm the one that programmed it. There's an order to this. So this is purple. Guys, wait. I can control where the banana goes. There's no randomness to it. It's actually like, I can actually combine it. That's crazy. Oh my God, please don't make it to the other side. I'm gonna force this game over. But I got everything else. Do I win? Yes. Yes, yes. How you gotta think about it, guys. So oh, banana. I got 3 bananas. This is my banana. Don't get it twisted. This is mine. And I really gotta figure out how to like force it. I know my boy Randall said something on how to do it. I'm probably gonna follow that. But I really want to focus on the banana. Okay, so the banana's on his side. There's a chance it'll work, guys. There's a chance it'll work. Banana. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Damn, he's cooking me though. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, he has so many in his. Oh wait, these are like not his. Man, pick the damn banana. Oh my God, make some moves with the banana, man. Yo, he's so toxic, dude. There we go. Fucking hell, man. Fucking, of course, and he just gives me the fucking banana back. Okay, so it's 3. But that's not activating as much as maybe I would want it to. I might make it a 1 1/3, 1 3. I just realized I lose this. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Fuck. Oh my God. Okay. Wow, dude, we got so much done. I'm so lit. We got the effects working. We got the banana to be able to actually go in and steal shit, guys. I'm super happy, bro. I'm super happy. So, guys, if you're watching and stuff, so pretty much, yeah, the banana's working as expected. I might change it, I think. I might upgrade it so that it will have maybe an easier chance to proc, because right now the banana is just fucking suffering. Like the banana shows up. So we learned 2 things today. Number 1, the banana is only procking pretty rarely, because I mean it is a 1 in 4 chance, and I guess that's a lot more real than I thought. So that's something to kind of like maybe think about. I might make it a 1/3, because half is too much. I think if there is a coin flip of a chance that you would lose a marble because that marble just happens to land there, I think it'd be kind of crazy. One thing I do want it to do is that I want the remove marble to remove a random one, not remove. So let me do that real quick, actually. I'll go back so you guys can see it. But pretty much, I want to make sure that the marble can leave. So. Hole. Yeah. So I want hole to 2. I'm going to go straight to the whole GD because I don't want this to happen. I want to, I guess like remove at, and then I want a random integer of range 0 to marbles dot size. Can I get a return value called remove at? Oh, pop at. Fuck yeah, it's literally what I wanted, bro. Pop at this range, get the marble to send it back to us. This is exactly what I wanted. Yeah. Cool. So that's random. I think size might be too much. I might have to do -1. But that could be a tomorrow problem, for sure. So with that being said, I might just finish up here. Give me some time to eat my breakfast. I didn't end up eating it, so we're chilling. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate it for you guys being here. For my VOD frogs, for my stream boys, anybody that's hopping on, just seeing me get through this game, bro, I'm lit. We're making big moves. From here on out, it's just making more effects, implementing them. I already got the implementation going, which is insanely fire. I'm so happy. So yeah. Guys, have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys on Wednesday when I stream again. And I really appreciate y'all. Thank you.